What's important is who's manufacturing your temperature sensors. It's what their capabilities are, what their employees' capabilities are, what's their company culture.
We've kind of grown up making simple thermocouples back in the 60s and 70s. As time went on, we just expanded our capabilities.
When you walk out on the plant floor, you're actually seeing the company function, and you're getting a feel for the people. Certainly our plant looks nice. We have good equipment, great processes, but really what we have is great people.
I always tell customers, we've spent zero time preparing for you to come in. What you see is who we are.
Well, when the customer comes here, the first thing they say, wow, what a facility it is.
That's telling the customer, you're going to care about my product. My product's important to me. I might be running a power plant, critical operation. I want to make sure the people that are building the products for my power plant care about them and care about me.
Lead time, our flexibility, our ability to interact with customers and develop solutions based on their application in a short lead time.
We've expanded the line of connection heads. We have the best variety of connection heads on the market. These are all made right here in the USA. We own the tooling, we do all the machining and assembly right here at Pyromation, and I would say that is different than any other sensor manufacturer. We began to make what we call thermal wells, and this is where we invested a fair amount of money in capital equipment, and we actually brought that capability here on our campus. It's custom made, we can do various materials, and we can do various styles.
We're going to have a short lead time. We're going to deliver at a high rate of on time. That means that you can count on us to manage your inventory.
Testing and documentation is becoming a bigger and bigger part of our business. As we sell to these higher level companies that are global companies, agency approvals become a very critical component for us. In our NAVLAP accredited lab, of course, we wouldn't sell to certain industries without that.
In a typical day, we do between 10 to 15 calibration orders. And if the product is not calibrated right, there could be major implications for the customer. So it's very critical what we do.
We've invested a lot in our systems and our people to become technical experts that can support our customers.
I don't think close enough is ever the answer. There's always a goal ahead of us that maybe we can do something better.
The more innovative we can be in how we deliver the product, how we deliver information, what approvals we can carry on it, and how quickly we can do that and fulfill their need.
So when you call in, you're dealing with someone that completely understands the product and has a ton of application experience. If we look at our experience across our sales force here, 25 plus years of Pyromation experience. Our customer service area is on average 15 years of Pyromation experience. All of us grew up making the product, working through the company, understanding the systems, and we developed through the company that gives us some expertise that I don't think many companies have.
We have good equipment, great processes, but really what we have is great people.
Well, here at Pyromation, we do have a pretty broad standard catalog offering that serves a lot of different markets, but we can do variations off of that. It's our engineers working with customers to develop unique custom products, engineered and built to order for their needs.
Pyromation makes temperature sensors. We're one small component of a measurement system. Our reps, our distributors, basically are supplying all the other components that go part of that measurement system, whether it's electrical heating, whether it's combustion, or whether it's process control. When the customer needs something, they can go through our distributor, and the distributor can help them with the complete system. Customers call in, they have limited information. What they want is help specifying what they need for an application. And that's where we can get the right product that suits their application and meets their requirements.
One of our strategic goals here for years at Pyromation has been to develop a globally accepted product offering. So we truly are a global manufacturer. We also have a lot of North American customers that are building equipment and exporting it around the world that require these third-party approvals.
We're a lean enterprise. We started out as lean manufacturing, and quickly we realized that the whole company, of course, in a manufacturing environment, is focused on supporting either the customer or supporting manufacturing and meeting the customer's needs.
I think some of the key things that differentiates us from other companies, obviously we can talk about our broad product offering, our delivery services. We deliver faster than anybody in the industry. But I think the probably differentiating factor is the level of experience you're going to deal with when you call in here.
Culture, I think, is a foundation of any business, because in the end, a lot of people have access to the same equipment, the same materials, maybe sometimes the same design, so what makes a company different? Sometimes it's intellectual property, like patents and things like that, but often it's the people that are in the four walls. And so how those people work together, how those people work with customers, with suppliers, with other, that's culture. And that really largely determines a company's success in the long run.